A urinary tract infection, UTI, is an infection that affects any part of the urinary system, including the bladder, urethra, kidneys, or ureters. It is one of the most common bacterial infections, especially in women. UTIs are usually caused by bacteria entering the urinary tract, with Escherichia coli, E. coli, being the most common cause. Common symptoms include a burning sensation while urinating, frequent or urgent need to urinate, passing only small amounts of urine, cloudy or foul-smelling urine, lower abdominal discomfort, and sometimes blood in the urine. Drinking plenty of water may help flush bacteria for the urinary tract, but a UTI usually requires prescription antibiotics, so it is important to see a healthcare provider for proper diagnosis and treatment. Do not take antibiotics without a prescription or use leftover antibiotics, as this can lead to ineffective treatment and antibiotic resistance.